Today, we will be showing you how to use the Livara Basic Hair Kit, which includes our Sapphire Hair Shampoo, the 2-in-1 Sapphire Deep Conditioner and Leave-In Treatment, the Savarite Spritz Moisturizer Hair Spray, the Emerald Hair Food and Tanzanite Hair Oil. We started by unraveling these natural twists to create a better canvas for showing you how to use the products in our hair kit. Spraying some water helps soften the hair for unplating. After spraying some water, add some of our Savarite Booster Hair Conditioner to ease unplating and detangling. With every section you detangle, make a twist to ease washing later on. You can already see that the hair is pretty dirty. And now for the first item in the basic hair kit, our Sapphire General Purpose Moisturizing Shampoo. Unlike other regular shampoos, it's made with moisturizing ingredients like shea butter, meaning that it will not strip your hair off of its natural oils. Apply the shampoo to your hair after wetting it and spread it throughout your hair and scalp. Use your fingertips to massage the shampoo over your scalp and gently cleanse each part of your scalp. Avoid using your fingernails. This will obviously hurt you and possibly cause micro tears in your scalp as you cleanse it. Cleanse your scalp at least twice with shampoo to effectively remove all dirt, grime and buildup. After the first wash, rinse out the shampoo and apply some shampoo again, cleanse, then rinse out again. We advise that you wash your hair with the shampoo at least every 2 weeks or as need be. Can be twice a month as well. Just don't have your hair dirty for a long time. This could result in issues like dandruff and scalp infections. Next item is the 2-in-1 Sapphire Deep Conditioner and Leave-In Treatment. A deep conditioner repairs and nourishes the hair shaft from the inside out. Unlike regular washout deep conditioners, ours doubles as a leave-in conditioner, meaning that you don't have to wash it out. Apply it to your hair after shampooing and patting it dry. Spread it all over your hair and massage it through. Start working in sections afterwards. Section off a part of your hair, detangle with a wide-toothed comb, and thereafter form it into a twist. Do this for every section. Make sure to detangle gently to avoid breakage and pain, of course. Apply the 2-in-1 every after a wash to keep your hair moisturized, strong, and healthy. The 2-in-1 Sapphire Deep Conditioner and Leave-In Treatment also doubles as a heat protectant, so you can use it before heat styling to prevent your hair from getting any damage. Here, we chose to blow dry the hair after applying the 2-in-1. As you can see, the hair became so soft after applying the 2-in-1, and the blow dryer was gliding through so easily. You can maximize length by blow drying. However, limit this to as few times as possible to prevent ruining your hair from excessive heat styling. The next item is the Savarite Spritz Moisturizer Hair Spray. It's a water-based moisturizer made with hydrating ingredients like guava leaf extract, rosemary, which promotes hair growth, and glycerin, which draws moisture to the hair and scalp. Apply it to sections of your hair and scalp and massage it through. We recommend using it as often as daily to supply your hair and scalp with the moisture they need. Improve hair elasticity, prevent breakage, combat and prevent issues like itching and dandruff. Thereafter, seal in the moisture. It's important to do this so that you can sustain this amazing moisture in your hair all day long. That's where the next item in our hair kit comes in, the Emerald Hair Food. It's a rich hair butter made with shea butter, avocado oil, and castor oil. Use your fingertips, slice off a portion of the hair food, rub between your fingers, and smooth it onto your scalp. After applying a good portion all over your scalp, gently massage it into your hair too so that the food is spread evenly. By doing this, you are effectively locking in the moisture from the spray, boosting your scalp health and giving your hair a nice shine. The last item in our basic hair kit is the Tanzanite hair oil. It comes in as easy to apply spray bottle. It can also be used as an alternative to the emerald hair food. Perfect for when you have in a protective hairstyle like braids, twists, or cornrows. You can also use it when you have your natural hair out. Simply apply some to sections of your hair and massage it through. It's got amazing ingredients for your hair too: shea butter, castor oil, refreshing peppermint, and sunflower oil. All amazing for boosting hair growth. And that's it for our basic hair kit. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.